This morning's episode of the Organizing Minute is centered around music, what to do with it, where to put it. I am a piano player, also a piano teacher. My children take lessons. My children play the piano. They play multiple instruments, and that comes with a lot of music. That comes with a lot of storage. It comes with a lot of mess unless you can keep it contained. So come with me. I'll show you what we do. So this is one of my favorite uses for a shoe rack. This one's from IKEA. It has 4 drawers, and it has these little cutout things, but I use it to store all of my kids' current music that they're practicing right now. So each kid gets a drawer, and I'm going to show you the inside, but it's not organized the way I would organize it. These are my kids' drawers. They are in charge of them, and I let them have that. So come take a look inside. So what we have in here is everything that one of my kids is currently working on. We have her lesson books and some of the extras that she's picking some songs out of. This is one of my favorite things though. She gets a lot of sheet music, and we have it put into file folders so that it doesn't get lost. And then these just slide in here. Just ready to work on it. She takes it over to the piano. So this is where I keep my music library. I purchased a bench from Target. No, it wasn't too expensive. I think it was supposed to be like a blanket bench or a toy bench. And I put inside it a hanging file frame that I got from Office Depot. You can see the frame pieces there. Set that in, and then I got a whole bunch of hanging files. Some of them are those box ones at the bottom because some of my books are a little bit bigger. And I divided this out first by level. So at the front, my kids' different levels are here. And then at the back, I have it by actually author or composer. We have some Beethoven, we have Mozart, we have Disney music, we have duets, and we have a whole section of Christmas. This makes it really easy for my kids to kind of get inspired by something. Like, I want to play Christmas music today, and know where it is and be able to go pick it up and grab it. And it's easy to put back when we're done. This has been actually one of my favorite organizing finds. I think that's about it. So this is my front entryway. I just wanted to show you real quick. That is, you come in my house, that bench, that looks like a place to take shoes off. So it fits in with the whole decor. And as you turn around, there's my piano room. So it's easy access. And what would be a shoe cubby is actually the files for my kids. It didn't work great in my living room piano setup, but it works great and is really functional furniture for the entryway.